Well, by God's grace, as the new speaker, I have one constitutional responsibility, and it is to work for the growth and development of Rivers people and our dear state. Well, we have adjourned to another legislative day. We will brief the press. We will communicate our proceedings to the public and engage them. We would make sure that they are part of what we are doing to ensure that there is transparency and clarity in the 10th Legislative Assembly. Well, I have already directed the clerk to notify His Excellency the Governor that a new leadership has emerged in the Rivers State House of Assembly and that we are ready to work for Rivers people.
You've heard our speaker as very much in line with whatever that we want to achieve in this administration, which is excellency. But away from that, we want to further warn that if His Excellency ever have any dealing with those former members, that we, the 10th Assembly, the original members of the 10th Assembly, who by the special grace of God, by constitutional powers, we form the right quorum to seize and to address the business of the day. We want to tell His Excellency that should he, in any reason, go about doing any business or dealings with those former members, we have no choice than to raise our hammers. And you all know what it means to commence an impeachment proceedings against him.